Hey everyone, Alex Roy here, your trusted John L. Scott agent, working over here on the east side of Portland, here with the first of what will be many weekly walkthroughs. This is where I'm going to take you to a house that's currently listed for sale, typically going to be one that's vacant, easy to view, and give you a little quick tour of the home, real raw, real fresh. Hope you're enjoying it and you join me for many more. The one that we're showing you today is 3946 Southeast 51st Ave. So you understand where that is in town for a bit of perspective. Just to the north of us here is Foster Road, running down from the north out to the east and to the south, and then just to the east of us is 52nd Ave, and we're right next to those two spots. This house that we have here is on a flag lot. It's, as you can see, 2 levels, total of 1338 square feet, about 700 upstairs, about 620 square feet downstairs, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Let's go in and check it out. Come on. As you do when you're touring a home, if there is a booty box, you throw on the booties. Just one of those little rules of touring homes, respect the booty box. When you walk in the front door, you've got stairways going to the upstairs right away, and then to the left of you, the living room. An electric fireplace. This home was built in 2001, kind of par for the course of a lot of homes built in 2001 in the southeast of Portland. Have laminate flooring. Looks good, but it does have a bit different feel than hardwood floor, but it certainly does look nice. You come through the living room, you end up in the dining room with sliding doors to the backyard, and then just off of the dining room, we have our kitchen. Countertop wraps around, so easy that you could be working here, see the living room, see the dining room, engaging with people. Right down here to my right, we have the built-in dishwasher, stove and oven. These of course would come with the house, and then right around here would be where you would put your refrigerator. All the cabinetry and countertops, also keeping in style with kind of a mid-range material for 2001. Pretty standard for that time. If you follow me through, now we come to our laundry room area, and an interesting little thing that they've done here. Here is my door to the garage. And this is typically a walk-through, got a bench area, and then your laundry room right here. They've installed a little half bath. Give it one more extra toilet. Washer and dryer right here. We'll go into the garage at the very end, so now I'm going to take you through to the upstairs. Having this little adornment right here is nice. Gives a bit of separation to the rooms, and I personally like it rather than having one big through room. Heading upstairs, carpet's a little bit worn, but by the looks of it, I think a good steam cleaning and it's going to be brought right back and has a bit more life to go. All the paint in the house also feels very fresh, like they must have just freshly painted. I can't confirm that, but that's certainly the feeling I'm getting from the house. A nice fresh feel other than the carpets at the moment. Here's the master bedroom. Has a nice built-in bench feature looking out into the driveway of the flag lot. And then a modest sized walk-in closet, a good one. Good walk-in closet size. Looks like we have the hatch to the attic crawl space through that closet. And then right next to that is the master bedroom, or bathroom, with skylight. Coming back out onto the landing, we have the shared bathroom for the upstairs. And then the other two of the 3 bedrooms, one here, with the window facing into the backyard, facing south. And the third bedroom, also with built-in bench, facing the driveway up in the flag lot. Wonderful. Let's jump back downstairs and go take a peek outside. The siding on the house looks like it's in pretty good condition just from my own visual inspection. Of course, any buyers, I would always recommend that with your professional home inspection, that inspector is checking out the siding on the home. The front of it is lap siding. On the side and the back, it's all T111. But the paint certainly looks like it's in great shape. If I didn't know better, it looks like it was recently painted before it was put on the market. But of course, I don't know that for sure. But it looks like it's in great shape. Here in the backyard, you have a small patio, something to put a barbecue on just off of the sliding doors off of the dining room. Got a few trees around, some that are flowering, a whole row of cypress here that are gonna, if treated right, grow up and give you a nice privacy wall from the other homes and the other properties in the area. And on the other side of the house, you got just enough room that you could maybe move a trailer back here, maybe put a small tool shed back here if you wanted to. Get a little bit of amount of room to work with. And from what I see of the roof, and this is just my own little visual inspection, doesn't look too bad. Certainly, just by looking at it, looks like it's within its life, but once again, don't hold me to that. Always have your professional home inspector take a look at that. So to wrap up, the last thing I want to mention about this house is its energy efficiency. As you know, starting January 1st, 2018, here in Portland, all homes that are listed for sale have to have a home energy score performed by a licensed assessor, and they give you a score out of 10, 1 being the lowest, 10 being the best. This home got an 8 out of 10. A few of the good things that it's got going for it. Its duct installation is all well insulated and sealed. Floor insulation is R21, wall insulation is R15, skylights and windows are double pane, low E gas for the regular windows. The two failing points that it got was that its air conditioner was not an Energy Star rated air conditioner, and its water heater was a standard natural gas water heater, not an Energy Star rated water heater. So upgrading those two would give you a 9 out of 10 score, but I can tell you, 8 out of 10, that's a pretty good score for a majority of the homes being sold in the area. Certainly above average. Got a nice big double garage as well. So how much does a home like this go for? You've been probably wondering the whole time. Guess is in. $440,000 minus $1. So $439,999 at 3946 Southeast 51st Ave. Hey, if you want to come check out this home yourself, give me a call anytime and we can swing by here and take a look at it, whatever schedule works for you. My name is Alex Roy with John L. Scott Real Estate. Call me today, working hard for your success. Thanks, guys.